If you eat, you eat. If you talk, you talk. If you sleep, you sleep. If you make a movement, you make a movement. This is the way of life. Nowadays, the problem is you talk, you think about eating. You are eating, you think about sleeping. You are sleeping, you think about moving. You are moving, you think about reading.
When your mind, body, and spirit are aligned, you begin to live consciously. The mind directs intention, the body channels energy, and the spirit provides purpose. Shi Heng Yi teaches that imbalance in any one of these areas creates disharmony in life, anxiety, confusion, and fatigue. But when all three align, you gain clarity, vitality, and deep inner peace.
What I feel is what I say, is what I think, is what I do, is what I act upon. It's one way. It's not two options. And in the same way, so what is like a very special moment? It is when no matter what you're doing, you just do. It's one. You're not thinking about what you're doing. What you think is what you do. It's one. It is synchronized as one. And this is what I think year-long martial art practice is doing, is training you, is displaying to you. It displays to you that there is a way how mind and body can unite to such a deep, deep level that it has nothing to do with thinking anymore. It's the pure expression of what you are. Yes, of what you are. Not who you are, of what you are.
The mind is trained through awareness. Before you even move your body, you quiet your thoughts. Every movement begins with focused attention. The purpose is to be fully present, to act without distraction. Shi Heng Yi often reminds his students that your body goes where the mind leads. When your intention is clear, your movement follows with precision and flow.
Inhale. Breathe out first. Until all the air is out. And now, so left arm 16 times, right arm also 16 times, and start slow so you don't hurt your joints.
This is who you are now, grounded, awakened, alive. Hold the energy of your new self with presence and pride.
3. 4. 5. 6. 7. And 8. And same with the right hand. Inhale. Exhale first.
This awakens the Mingmen, strengthens your lower back, and rebuilds your internal power.
Exhale. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 7. And last time. The same to the front. Inhale. Exhale.
This movement activates qi flow from the earth to the heavens and balances the nervous system. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more aware.
In. And 4 more times. Inhale. And last time.
This movement energizes the heart meridian, builds emotional resilience, and reminds you to live with compassion and courage.